friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make beetroot fritters or beetroot vadai. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some beetroot. This healthy snack boosts your immunity. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 cup of chana dal in water for 2 hours. Then drain off the water, clean wash it and keep it ready. Transfer the chana dal to a mixer jar. To this add a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 garlic pod, a piece of ginger and 5 dried red chillies. Grind this to a coarse paste. Transfer the paste to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 cup of grated beetroot, 1 onion very finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped and half teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Now it's all very nicely mixed. Grease your hands with oil and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then give it a slight press like this. Shape the edges and keep it ready. Likewise, make all the beetroot vadas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the fritters one by one. Add just 2 or 3 at a time. Make sure not to overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip to the other side. Let this again cook for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown. So let's now remove them. Now our delicious and healthy beetroot fritters or beetroot vadai is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and healthy recipe. So do try this beetroot fritters or beetroot vadai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.